Hello everyone. My name is Ethan, and today I want to talk about my father. He is not just my dad, he is my role model, my guide, and my best friend. His name is David, and he is 48 years old. He works as an engineer, and he has always been a hardworking and responsible person. My father is the most caring and loving person I know. He always supports our family and does everything he can to make sure we are happy. No matter how busy he is with work, he always finds time for me and my siblings. He believes that family is the most important part of life. One of the things I admire most about my father is his wisdom. Whenever I have a problem, he gives me the best advice. He teaches me how to face challenges and how to make the right decisions. His words always inspire me to be a better person. My father is also a very disciplined man. He wakes up early every morning and exercises before going to work. He believes that staying healthy is important, and he encourages me to do the same. On weekends, we go for morning walks together, and he tells me interesting stories about his childhood. Even though my father is strict about discipline, he is also very fun and friendly. He loves watching sports, especially football. Every Sunday, we watch football games together, and he explains the rules to me. Sometimes, we even play football in the backyard. He always makes sure that learning and having fun go hand in hand. My father also loves reading. He has a big collection of books at home, and he always encourages me to read more. Whenever I finish a book, we discuss it together. He says that reading helps to improve knowledge and imagination. One of my favorite memories with my father is our trip to the mountains last summer. We went hiking, explored nature, and took lots of pictures. It was an unforgettable experience, and I felt so happy spending time with him. My father has taught me many important values, such as honesty, kindness, and respect. He always tells me to work hard and never give up on my dreams. Whenever I feel discouraged, he reminds me that success comes from patience and dedication. I am truly grateful to have such a wonderful father. He is my biggest supporter, my best teacher, and my greatest inspiration. I hope to become as strong, wise, and kind as he is one day. Thank you for listening to my story about my father. I hope you liked it. Here are some useful words from the passage: role model, a person you admire and want to be like; guide, someone who helps and gives advice; responsible, someone who takes care of duties and does the right thing; wisdom, deep knowledge and good judgment; challenges, difficult situations or problems to overcome; discipline, the ability to control yourself and follow rules; encourages, to give support, confidence, or motivation. Backyard, an open space behind a house; collection, a group of similar things, such as books or toys; imagination, the ability to create ideas or pictures in your mind; unforgettable, something so special that you will always remember it; explored, to travel and discover new places; values, important beliefs about what is right and wrong; dedication, hard work and commitment toward a goal; grateful, feeling thankful for something. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this community together. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.